Hi there, I'm Lisa. I'm the owner of Lollipop Box Club, and today I have the new unboxing video for you. This is the kit, What's Your Story, that will be sent this month in October. I won't be doing a full unboxing. If you've watched my unboxings before, it's literally just to give you a taste of what's coming, and I don't open all the packages, so you do get an element of surprise when the kit arrives. If you would like to see what's in the kit, hold on a few more days, wait until the team have their kits, and a couple of them will be doing full unboxings. I will link you up with those below so that you can go and subscribe and wait for the unboxings on their channel. But today, this is a glimpse inside the What's Your Story kit. Every kit is always colour coordinated. There's a new colour combo every single month. You can always see as soon as the kit comes what your colours are going to be for that month. This month, as you open the kit, you will have some of my own artwork that I've turned into a postcard. This month, What's Your Story? It's all about journaling yourself. It's about you. And the butterflies are representing change. We're in that time of year where there's lots of change happening, but also I believe with it being What's Your Story, each of us has our own story, and obviously there's lots of change that we all go through. So I thought that the butterflies went really well with this month's theme. As you open the kit, we've got a handmade clip. These are made by Andy from Andy's Accessories. She makes all my felt and fabric toppers, which I then turn into other accessories. I quite like the idea of you being able to add your own wording and add this to a planner or use it as an embellishment. So you could write hello, or you could add alphabet stickers. You could do whatever you want and have that as your own little planner clip. Could even have your name on there actually, couldn't you? Got a mystery gift. I'm actually hand making every single mystery gift this month. Something a little bit special for you, something that we haven't had in a kit before. DIY kit, I always like to keep that a bit of a surprise as well as most of the contents in the treat bag. They also tend to stay a surprise too. I'm collaborating with the lovely Morag from Bramble Fox. We have a story tab for you. She makes these wonderful acrylic, what do you call them? Like embellishments. Oh, she's got loads of bits and pieces. I'll link her up below so you can go and have a look if you aren't familiar. I'm a huge fan of Morag. She makes wonderful things. Go and take a look. We do have a competition this month though. We are going to be holding a competition. Go and check out the chat group, which as well is linked below. And I want to see how everyone uses their story tab this month. I can't remember exactly how long the competition's held for. It's going to be well into November anyway. The details will be given out nearer the time because obviously you can't join in until you've got your little kits with your tabs. But we want to see how you are using your Bramble Fox tags this month. So come and join the chat group and see for more details. We've got the Happy Scatter stencil this month. This is just making sure the light's not reflecting on that too much. I've got butterflies. It's like a little butterfly trail. Really cute. I've actually used that on the postcard with some texture paste, which I then coloured in. Love the stamp this month from Skull and Crossbuns. Did you see her on Create and Craft? She was on, it's still on catch up. You could just catch it. It was last Sunday. I can't remember what the date was. I have no idea. But this video is going out on a Friday, so you've still got 2 more days to catch it on Create and Craft. It's a 2-piece stamp, so don't think it's a speech bubble with a butterfly in the middle. They're 2 pieces. You can remove the butterfly, so you can use the speech bubble in your scrapbook, in your journal, on your planners, but the little butterfly then you can use as a little embellishment. So I like that idea. And something new, I'm going to start decorating the backs of all our packaging. This is very new. I've still got some of the kit actually that's already packaged before I had this idea. But I'm going to start bringing in the new packaging, and there will be different artwork on the packaging, so you can use this as well. I'm always one to try and use as much of the box as possible. I'm always trying to give you new ideas, whether it be the actual box, the tissue paper, the bags. I would love you to be able to use as much of it as possible. We've used the little plastic packets for shaker cards and embellishments before, so now I'm actually giving you a whole new card to use too. So start looking out for the different backs of the cards. They're going to be slowly bought in. Happy Scatter, we've also got the die cuts this month. You know I love the die cuts. Jennifer's die cuts are amazing. They are wonderful quality. I'll just show you a few. I love it when she does like the clouds or the speech bubbles there with the wording. Something new this month. Let's see if I've got any here. I don't know if I have actually. Oh, I love that story one. We've got some black and white ones. Maybe they're over there. Yeah, you can see some of them here. I thought it would be really fun for you to be able to colour those in yourself. So it's a little bit of a mixture, some with colour, some without. So you can add your own little bit of artwork to them. Tash from Blossom Nose Co. She makes the most amazing stickers. These are our exclusive stickers this month, which I'm really, really pleased with. And then going on to the papers, as always, we've got 5 exclusive designed papers for you. We've got some letter writing paper this month as well, because we are doing a Happy Mail swap. If you weren't around back at the beginning of the year, we did a Happy Mail swap in our chat group, where I teamed people up together that wanted to join in, and it was like a pen pal thing. Everyone kind of sent each other happy mail with goodies and treats and letters. It was so much fun. This month we're doing another one, so we've got some writing paper that's coming in your kit. You don't obviously have to use that, but it's there if you do. And we're doing it again. So again, the chat group link is below, so you can come and join in. We're still signing up, so there's still time. We'd love you to join us. I wanted to share the postcard with you. I always have an embellishment postcard. We've gone matte now. The printer I'm using, they've stopped, or they are still doing gloss, but they're also doing a matte option, which I much prefer. And many of my printables, these are actually downloads for you. If you are a subscriber, you get the code for free. Otherwise you can still download them, but there's just a couple of pounds to pay, and you can use these over and over. I really love these speech bubbles, they're fab. And there will be add-ons as well. Some of these items will be available to purchase if you would like to have extra in your kit. Some people like to share theirs with their kids and they want extra DIY kits, extra stickers and mystery gifts and that kind of thing. I do try and have a couple of extra things each month. This month we've got this really nice washi tape from Simple Stories Carpe Diem. So there will be this that you can buy, and there'll be a couple of extra other things as well. I'll try and get the add-ons available in the next day or so. I'm not sure if they're going to be up by the time the video goes out, but I'll link up the add-ons section below as well, so you can go and have a look. And that's it. Obviously, I haven't shown you everything. There are still lots of bits and pieces that I'm keeping secret from you until your kit comes. I do hope you love this kit. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave a comment below, please, and tell me what your favourite thing is that you've seen in this kit. I would love to know. I always love hearing what you love best. And that's it. Kits are available to purchase either as a buy subscribe or as a one-off if you would like to just give one a go. And they do get sent on the 17th of October. So we're still making bits and pieces, and kit packing will be next week. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't already. There is a little bell button below for you to click, and you'll get notifications then when the next video goes up. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.